Hey loves, we're back again with another Making the Smith Cave. So we're going in with this set from Value City, and my husband and my son found this and I fell in love. Not only does it recline, it's heated seats, massaging seats. It has the light, so the theater effect. There's charging on the side. There's wireless charging as well. There's a book light. Really love these. Initially, I was looking at like individual seats for our theater, but these couches are the best. So this is the couch, not the love seat, couch. We chose two couches instead of the set of the love seat and couch, just so we can have more seating and being able, that middle section just pretty much has all the buttons in the side. I'm sorry, right there at the, as we flipped it, as you see, as the guy's putting it together. So when you flip it down, it has everything, the book light, um, pretty much everything is in there. The vibration, because it is immersive sounds, so it Bluetooths to your TV, and the two pieces you have, either love seat or couch or chair, all the pieces will connect to each other and Bluetooth through the surround sound of the chair, and it vibrates like just like if you were in the theater and in the real 4D effect. Now, you may want to save your coins on having it delivered if you, especially if you have someone who, or people who can put it to where you want it. We were a little disappointed that we paid for it to be delivered, and my husband had to convince them, yes, it will fit in the basement, it will go down to our cave, and then they didn't hook it up all the way. So I had to then hook everything up, you see, myself. Mind you, everything's labeled, so it technically is something that you can do yourself if you want to save some coins. But after everything's hooked up and working, trying out everything, those are the controls. I love the way it lights up. It lights up blue. It's really, good leather, real soft, comfy. No complaints. Value City, no complaints. So this is how it looks. Now, mind you, we're doing a theater, so begged my husband to create a platform. So off to our friend Lowe's we went, so he can get this platform going. Him and Jeremiah, our baby, went ahead and got this platform created. Of course, Chewbacca is always there, always Chewbacca. So we was able to go ahead and get that platform going. Added that carpet, and he was moving, y'all. He was getting it done. Okay. And there's the platform. And here's the final look. Our theater seating. Again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, bye.